There's 5 in here, obviously, and then we have a lot of differences. If we only have 5, we probably couldn't get as many different ones all in one ring. We have a first and a second that will eventually be your champion and reserve that are on each end of the spectrum, and then again the differences are very vast. We're just going to discuss them real quickly, and then I'll name a. Then I'll name the champion here. The young lady's Gilt is the bigger scaled one, obviously, not just because she is a bigger frame and heavier weight there. She's more extended and a longer growing one for sure. Maturity pattern's a little bit longer. Clean about her joints, and she's comfortable as she goes, but maybe just not as squared or hocked as maybe ideal. You could scout her bone work in her just a bit, but she's functional enough, and again, a big scaled kind of a Gilt. The young man's Gilt, the scouter option of the pair, for sure from a bone work and muscularity standpoint there. I think she's the outlier in the class. She's kind of the outlier for the breed in terms of bone work and stoutness of skull, and so she's big rib and she's heavy muscled there. We could pick her up off the ground and make her a little longer in her maturity pattern, maybe lengthen her out of her rump there as well. And so a lot of things to consider between the two. Again, I try to always draw to the ones that maybe that can kind of progress us a little bit further, and that's the young man's Gilt. He's going to end up being our champion. Young lady got really nice Gilt to reserve there as well. The Gilt in 3 is the slickest about her head, and maybe